Myself from Wonder World Montessori School, Sanjeevani Nagar, Jabalpur. So here we are explaining division. Division for primary classes, especially for primary classes when you start your division work. So if you like our channel, kindly subscribe for Wonder World Montessori School, Sanjeevani Nagar, Jabalpur. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get our notifications. We already have put the videos for our YouTubes for addition, subtraction and multiplication. So here we are with the division. Now what is division? Division बहुत ही सरल है, भाग देना या भागित करना. जब किसी भी चीज को हम भाग करते हैं तो वो चीज क्या होगी? कम होगी. सपोज मेरे पास 10 टॉफीज हैं और मुझे उसको 5 लोगों में बांटना है. तो पहले मैंने सब बच्चों को एक एक टॉफी दी, मेरे पास कम हो गई टॉफी, अब मेरे पास 5 ही बच रही है क्योंकि बाकी तो 5 मैंने बच्चों को एक एक बांट दी. फिर मेरे पास क्योंकि 5 बच रही है बट हमें सब बच्चों को इक्वल देनी है तो हमने फिर एक एक बांट दी. तो अब मेरे पास तो 0 बची पर सब बच्चों के पास कितनी टॉफीज हो गई? 2 टॉफीज. सो जब डिवीजन होता है तो हमेशा चीज कम होती है. हमने मल्टीप्लिकेशन में सीखा था कि जब भी मल्टीप्लाई होता है तो चीजें बढ़ती हैं. तो डिवीजन में हमेशा चीज कम होती हैं. इसको हमेशा याद रखो. हम भाग देते हैं, एक को अगर हमें 2 को देना है तो हम आधा आधा कर देंगे. इसलिए हमें भाग देने में हमेशा चीज को कम होता है. Here on the screen you can see the example that there are 10 toffees of which 5 we have to distribute it to 5 children, and when we distribute it comes into the group of 2 to each child. And when the sign of division is on the ma'am, can we go to the first screen? The sign of division is a straight line with 2 dots. This is the sign of division. And now let's come to our third slide. What is again? First हमने देखा division मतलब कम होना. Now second concept of division is repeated subtraction. अगर किसी चीज को हम repeated कम करते जाएंगे तो ultimately हमारे पास 0 बचता है. तो suppose आपको अगर question में दिया है 24 divided by 4 equals to what? Now what we have to do is constantly हमको 24 को 4 माइनस करते जाना है till we get 0. और कितनी टाइम माइनस किया वो हमें काउंट करना है. So first we minus 0, first time we get 20, then second time we get 16, we get 12, third time, fourth time we get 8, then we get 5 time we get 4, and ultimately we get the 6th time we get 0. So our answer will be 24 divided by 4 equals to 0. मतलब अगर हम repeated माइनस करते जाएंगे, हमें डिवीजन नहीं करते बन रहा है, और अगर हम repeated माइनस करते जाएंगे और जिस स्टेज पे हमारे पास 0 आएगा, जितनी बार हमने माइनस किया है उतना अगर हम काउंट कर लेंगे तो that will be our answer. So what is division? Division is nothing but repeated subtraction. Now let's come to the third concept. Now division is inverse of multiplication. ये तो मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था. Division में हर चीज कम होती है, multiplication में ज्यादा होती है. Suppose करिए हमारे पास 15 apples हैं और हमें उन्हें 3 रो में अरेंज करना है. How many? एक एक ग्रुप कितने का बनेगा? 5 apples का. So 5 we have got 3 rows and each row has 5 apples. So 3 into 5 equals to 15. That is a multiplication concept. आप मेरा multiplication का वीडियो देखिए, उसमें ये concept explain किया गया है. But at the same time 15 divided by, if we divide 15 by 3, we are getting, how much are we getting? We are getting 15 divided by 3 is 5. Sorry, on the slide it's given 15. It is 5. So 15 divided by 5 divided by 3 equals to 5. Now we come to the next slide. We have already read about the terms related. अब हमने concepts देखे. एक बार हम फिर से revision कर लें अपने concepts का. हम first concept पे चलते हैं कि डिवीजन जो है इक्वल शेयरिंग है. सेकेंड कॉन्सेप्ट पे चलते हैं कि डिवीजन जो है वो रिपीटेड माइनस है या रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन है. थर्ड कॉन्सेप्ट इज डिवीजन इज रिवर्स ऑफ multiplication. Now let's come to the division where we are dividing and what are the terms called. Now here you can see a sign, a straight line, and नीचे एक गोल होता है, इसको भी हम divide का sign बोलते हैं. Here the number which is out, see, the number to be divided is called dividend. Here 75 is to be divided. The number by which we are dividing is called divisor, and the answer is called quotient. Many people pronounce this word in different ways. I do it as quotient. You can do it as you find it. So here it is dividend, the number to be divided, the number which is dividing is divisor, and quotient. Now when we take, and if there is something left down after doing the minus, that is called dividend. And for our information, whenever if we want to check our answer, it is quotient multiplied by divisor is always plus the remainder is always equals to dividend. That is, when we divide our answer with the number which is dividing it plus we do the remainder, we get the answer. So whenever we do maths, whenever we do division, we should always check our answers. Now let's see step by step how we do the division. So let's come to our next slide. Here we are doing division of 2-digit number by 1-digit number. Now the 2-digit is 96, the divisor is 6, and the dividend is 96. Now first thing, whenever we do division, we need to see is the first number is greater than divisor or smaller than divisor. In the example A, it is greater than divisor. So what it is, it shows that it will go with divisor. See, there I have explained it also. 96 divided by 6, 6 ones are 6, we minus the number, we get 3, then we bring down 6, then 6 6s are 36, and we get 0. So here dividend is 96, divisor is 6, remainder is 0, and the quotient is 16. So if we apply our formulas, it will be 16 into 6 plus 0 equals to 96, and there we are, 16 into 6 is 96. Now here in the B example, I would like to explain you that if we take the number, no ma'am, the back slide only, if we take the figure as 69, now 6 is equal to 6, so it will go one time. If it would have been 49, then what we would have done? If instead of 6, we would have had 49, 4 and 9. Obviously, the first number of the dividend is smaller than the divisor. 4 number जो है वो 6 से छोटा है. So what we will do, then we will take both the digits. Then we will read it as 49 divided by 6. Let's see it in our next example. Here, when the number, if the number is smaller than the divisor, then we need to put 0. Now let's understand. We need to put 0 in the quotient. Let's understand this. I have explained it with one of the numbers. 812 divided by 2. So the first number is 8. Obviously it is greater than 2, so it will go by 2. So 2 4s are 8. We minus it, we get 0. Now we carry down 1. Now what will happen? 1 is smaller than 2. So what we will do? We will put 0 in the quotient. Usually this is the mistake which children, they don't do. वो 1 को तो लिखते ही नहीं है नीचे, वो सीधे 2 को ले आते हैं और उसको एज अ 12 काउंट कर लेते हैं. नो, अगर हमने कोई नंबर ऐसा उतारा है नीचे जो कि हमारे डिविजर से छोटा है, तो हमें क्वोटेंट में 0 लिखना होता है. तो हमने जब 1 नीचे उतारा तो हमने ऊपर आंसर में क्या लिखा, क्वोटेंट में क्या लिखा, 0. फिर उसके बाद हमने 2 उतारा, अब ये डिजिट बन गया 12, so we can do 2 6 are 12, and then our remainder is 0 0. So 406 when multiplied by 2, the quotient multiplied by the divisor, we get 812. But if we don't put 0 and we put only 46 multiplied by 2, check if we get the answer. No, we are not getting the answer. So the 0 is very important. Always remember, children, If you have any problems, you can put it down to me. With this, I would like to thank you. Thanks. Bye. Take care.